Hello, J&N Reviews here, and let me tell you why your children need this pair of shoes in the closet. So I love them. They're lightweight, so it's very flexible. If you can see here, it has a mesh all around the shoe, and that's very breathable, especially when they're in sports, jumping, running, even attending school. This is great. I like the color combination. Mine is gray and orange. Also, let me mention that this was a free sample provided by Dream Pairs. So the shoelaces are elastified, meaning that they can just slip on the shoe, and you just put the velcro around. And also they have a lot of cushion inside. And what I like also as a mom is that I can put them in the washer or clean them by hand, and they can go in the washer. So I love them. I like the colors, I love the style, I like the comfort, and also your children are going to love it. Thank you for watching my video.